Hey, what's up everybody? Hope you're doing great today. This is Said Hassan from Bixband. Today we have the Photoshop file breakdown of the visual you saw at the start. If you want to see the time-lapse video of how I created this visual, please let me know in the comment section below. And I just want to say thank you guys for all the support. So if you are new here, this channel is dedicated for junior and midweight designers who are looking to level up their skill set and learn new professional techniques. So make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to keep up with all the new content. That's it for today guys. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.